Today we're looking at Gale's opposing viewpoints in context database. All in-context databases are exactly the same, but they also have features that are common to most other databases. So anything that I'm showing you here today, you can apply to other databases that you use in the future. First, we're going to look at the Browse Issues button, because if you're not sure what you want to research, this is a great way to get some ideas. You can either click on one of these major topic portals, or you can do a basic keyword search. And you'll notice that Search Assist suggests commonly used keywords. And if you see a bolded keyword, that means that it's a major topic portal. Once you get to the topic portal, you can look at the overview of the topic. You can click on maps to see if there are any geographic statistics on this topic. And then there are a variety of ways to limit and sort your search. I usually start by limiting by source type. So you'll notice here that you have a variety of print, media, as well as suggested websites. And so I will click on one. And you'll notice that I have 150 magazines, which is quite a lot. So I'm going to want to limit that search. And one great way to limit a search, and this is common to most databases, is to do a search within results. So now this is going to show me all of the transracial adoption articles. And you'll notice that once I put that limiter in there, I now have 11 down from 150. You'll also notice that all of my search limiters start populating up here in the gray box. If I want to get rid of any of those limiters, I can just X out of them and I'm back to my previous page. Another great way to limit that's common to most databases is to limit by subject. And this is one of my favorite ways of limiting because it takes a very large topic and it divides it into all of its smaller subtopics. So if I want to focus on adoption and birth parents, then I click here and I can look at these 5 articles. Another thing that's really valuable about looking at subjects is that they are a great way to gather good keywords for searching in this and other databases. You also have the ability to limit by document type as well as publication titles. Another handy way to look in databases is to sort your results. So right now, results are sorted by relevance, which means that the articles that have the most keywords that you've searched, they are at the top. But you can also sort by date, which means your newest articles will be on the top, and you can sort by content level. And content level means the reading level. And you'll notice that all of Gale's databases have reading levels for their articles. Finally, once you're ready to save articles, you click on Save, and they will save to a folder. You click on More. You can look in that folder, and then you have a variety of ways to get these articles to yourself. So you would do a check all. You can download all of them and then upload them to your Google Drive. You can use the citation tools to either copy and paste the citations, or even better, you can export them directly into your EasyBib project folder. You can also email them to yourself, and I would recommend putting your email address in both the sender and the send to email so it doesn't end up in your spam. And also clicking on PDF so you get a nice clean PDF attachment along with that. And finally, of course, you can print. You can also bookmark this page, which means that this is a permanent URL that you can copy and paste into a Google Doc, and you can use it to get back to this page. Finally, if you're doing a very specific search, advanced search pages are common to all databases. And this is if you have 2 or more keywords and a variety of limiters that you want to use. First of all, notice that you can do a very broad keyword search, or if you're searching for specific words in an article's title, or for example, articles about a particular person or a place, that is where you would use all of these limiters. You can also select peer-reviewed journals if you only want scholarly articles to be included. And of course, you have publication date, different types of content, and you can also select a general reading level or select a very specific reading level. Well, happy searching, and please don't hesitate to ask if you need any help.